Hey guys, today I'm gonna be installing cruise control on my 2015 Subaru BRZ. I know that Subarus are supposed to come with cruise, but for some reason mine didn't. I bought it used, so previous owner probably just removed it for whatever reason. So yeah, we're gonna install a new one. First off, there are 3 holes, one right here, one at the bottom, and one on this side. And you just have to take a screwdriver and press into the pins that are there, and this thing should pop off. When this thing has popped off, you just pull it off, and there are a couple wires. Just unplug those and should be good to go. As soon as you have that off, you can just push this thing through the hole and line it up here and plug in this wire here. And there were no bolts in here, so I'm going to have to find some and put it in there. Well, I just found out I didn't have any bolts for the right size, so I'm gonna put this aside for now and finish it some other time when I have bolts, so I'll update you then. Got the bolts now, so I think I should be able to finish putting in the cruise. You just careful, you might want to do this somewhere. You might want to do this somewhere where there aren't people around because of the horn. But yeah, just put in 2 screws, one there, 2 bolts. Plug in this wire and you should be good to go. I've put it in now. Just gonna put the airbag back on and take it for a test. The cruise light comes on when I press the button, so let's hope this thing works. Turn it on and down, and it works. I bought this off eBay from a guy, so I don't know where you would get one. Probably just from eBay. I hope this video helped you guys, and see you in the next one.